Oh hi, I'm Jordan. Today I'm going on a safari adventure. Let's see how many animals we can meet. What do you call a monkey who likes to eat potato chips? A chipmunk. What does the lion say before hunting and eating its food? Let us pray. Did you know a giraffe can grow up to 18 feet? But this one only has 4. Oh, I can't reach. You're such a pain in the neck. Which is the most dishonest animal you never want to play games with? The cheetah. Hi, cheetah. What does a zebra have in common with a panda? Don't you know? It's pretty black and white. Why don't you want to pick a fight with a gorilla? Because he might know King Kung Fu. Oh, there's so many ants here. By the way, did you know the name of the biggest ant in the world? The elephant. Elephant? Get it? That was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I gotta run. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. No animals were harmed during the filming of this video. See you next time. Bye!